Hey guys, Brian here. Just want to give a little update on the 64.5 Mustang. She's off of the jacks. She got wheels and tires now. Brake lines are run, fuel lines are run, top's down. Needs a new top still. Currently running the wiring. As you can see, I've got a new wire loom I'm putting. It's running through the body. New fuel tank is in. That's all plumbed in, wired up. New wire loom. I'm running this wire up through the body right now. I'm getting ready to put the... we got to get new tail lights. Those are the plug, not the plug-in kind, the wiring kind, the pigtails, and they cut them off. Plus they're kind of beat up, so we're just going to get the new loom. Has the plug-in style, so we're going to get those lights. We'll take the lenses out of that because they say FOMOCO on them. Ford Motor Company. We'll put those in the new lights. I'm going to wire up the front, get the engine harness in, and then get ready to put the motor in. Not today, but soon. Where the hell is the end at? Alright, so I've got the rear taillights wired up, except I'm missing one pigtail. The 64.5 wiring harness has just like a male and a female plug. There's actually a connector with pigtails coming off that I need, so can't necessarily finish up underneath the dash. Most of it's connected. And then I've run all the wiring looms for the front. I've got the, this is the gauges to the starter solenoid. I've got the generator wiring. I've got the voltage regulator here, semi-wired up, headlight harness is in. So the wiring is pretty much done. I gotta mount the horns, plug those in. I'm waiting for the little straps for all the wires. There's like a... ooh. I'm waiting for the little straps for the wiring looms. It's these. I'm waiting for these guys here, so we're going to order some of those. That's what keeps all the wiring up snug on the sides of the engine bay. So we need that. I've got my horn relay. We need to order that. And then, I don't know what this is. This is a condenser of some sort. I need to figure out... I need to figure out where this goes. I don't remember taking this off. I think it was mounted to the voltage regulator, so I got to figure that out. If you know what that is, let me know. Otherwise, I'm doing a bunch of research to figure out what that is. Alright, that's the update, guys. It's a short one. It's just a 3 or 4 minute video. The car is coming along. It's about ready to get the motor put in. I got to look at some transmission parts. Alright, guys. I appreciate all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed and you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe and you can follow the build. Hopefully we'll have it driving this year. Alright guys, deuces.